Good morning, boys and girls. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you feeling today? Ya, alhamdulillah. Ini udah ngasih kayak saya. Ya, how about me? We can say how about you, mom? Okay. Pretty fine. Or I can say I feel fast as a baby. It means feel healthy and feel like we sehat dan bersemangat. Okay, so is everyone here? Apakah semuanya sudah hadir? That's good. Okay, boys and girls, before we go to our main material, let's say affirmative. Affirmative means kalimat positive. I hope really can motivate you. So are you ready for that? Yes, yeah? I'm going to click the slide first. So, boys and girls, okay. So you can put your hands, your right hand, tangan sebelah kanan on your chest. Di dada. So we're going to say this affirmative. So are you ready? Okay. So say I kind. I am brave. I am smart. I am helpful. I am grateful. I'm enough. I am strong. I'm unique. I am loved. Thank you so much. You can sit down. I hope silakan duduk kembali. I hope it can motivate you because remember, boys and girls, that we are loved. Jawaban kita itu dicintai. Okay. So, boys and girls, I'm going to tell about our activity, about our learning purpose. Saya mau menjelaskan dulu tujuan pembelajaran kita. Okay. So today we're going to learn about procedure text. Nah, ini kita belajar text procedure. Okay. Or we can say manual. Manual in Indonesia means panduan atau buku panduan. Okay. So I'm going to tell about the learning purpose. This is our learning purpose. Can you see it clearly? Jelas ya? Okay. So what is the first learning purpose? Yang pertama apa? Di situ. Jadi di zaman teks itu, zaman kan macam-macam ya zaman teksnya. Salah satunya adalah prosedur. Di prosedur teks kita belajar fungsi sosialnya, ciri kebahasaan dan juga struktur bahasa, social function, generic structure, and also the language features of prosedur text. How about number two? Yang kedua apa? Menganalisis fungsi sosialnya, strukturnya, dan juga ciri kebahasaan. How about number three? Yang nomor tiga? This learning activity, you are able to reach that. Habis selesai pembelajaran, diharapkan kamu bisa mencapai 3 tujuan pembelajaran tersebut. Oke, itu sudah dipahami ya. So, boys and girls, our material today is related to the last class or the last lesson. Pelajaran kita hari ini juga berhubung dengan kelas sebelumnya. What's the last lesson? Kelas sebelumnya apa tadi? IPAS, or you can say that this is social and science class. What's the material? Materinya apa? You have learned about energy. Okay. And also our today's materials is related to social and science class material, energy. And how about the automotive material, automotive lesson? Atau kelas teknik otomotifnya? What's the material? Material tentang apa? Motorcycle. Or you can say that motorcycle engine is also related to that. Ini juga ada hubungannya dengan materi produktif kalian, yaitu teknik otomotif. Kita semua terhubung satu sama lain. Okay. So for today's lesson, Jadi grupnya sama dengan kelas IPA sebelumnya. Oke, so please come to your group. Silakan untuk membentuk kelompok masing-masing. Okay, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining your group. So the group consists of it's useful. Okay, especially when you work in the workplace. Termasuk ketika kamu sedang bekerja atau belajar di bengkel. Oke deh. Nah, do you usually find the prosedur tax di sini ketemunya di mana? Selain yang ada di bengkel. Ada di mana? Teknopark. Teknopark. Oke. Then we have let's say fun test. Kita punya kayak fun test. Fun itu apa? Menyenangkan. Tes itu tes yang menyenangkan. Because you're going to let's say play vocabulary quiz. Gambarnya kita mau main quiz kosa kata. So please prepare your handphone and make sure you have internet connection. Siapkan HP, kemudian pastikan kamu punya koneksi internet. Show me your handphone. Handphone mana coba dilihatnya? Internet connection? Yeah. That's good. Okay. So guys, this is the background. The backgroundnya. So please, you can join using the devices joinmyquiz.com. Make sure you type joinmyquiz.com on your browser, on your mobile browser. Nanti masuk ke mobile browsernya kamu di HP. Kemudian kamu ketik joinmyquiz.com and you can enter the code. Masukkan kodenya. Okay? Kelas akurasi, kelasnya 9%. It's okay. Nggak apa-apa kalau baru 9%. It's the beginning, itu baru awal. But at least you know your vocabulary level. Jadi yang kamu paham. Ternyata level kosakatanya masih rata-ratanya 9%. So you have to look hard. Nanti harus lebih kerja. Biar kosakatanya semakin meningkat. I'm going to show the names here. The first name is, let's see, the reports here. Lihat ini. Ahmad Hasan. Can you pause everyone? Jika saja Ahmad Hasan, Arya Brian, let's move on to next activity. But please distribute it to your friend. Student worksheet ada worksheet di sini. Kalau diberikan ke temannya, each group get one student worksheet. Jadi satu kelompok dapat satu. Thank you. So please watch it carefully. Silakan dilihat dengan sesama. You can learn the pronunciation, pelajari pronunciation-nya, you can learn the intonation, intonasinya juga, because it's from native speaker. Ini dari penutur aslinya. Okay? Are you ready for that? Sudah siap? Don't worry, because I activate the English subtitle. Saya aktifasi subtitle bahasa Inggris, ya.
So we'll screw bit by little bit and then just keep checking the level as we put more oil. So now we put more oil in, we're going to check.
What did you hear? Yang kamu dengar tadi apa? Okay, so I'm going to write down on the whiteboard and tuliskan. So, did you hear kata ini? This is now, ini kata Buddha. Yes? Yes. Because the meaning of diksi. You can check on your Cambridge dictionary. Boleh cek kamus online. That's why I recommend you to use handphone. Boleh banget untuk buka kamus online. Cambridge dictionary. Yeah. So, diksi means
untuk mengecek banyak dikitnya oli pada.
Yeah, so you can say that You can repeat after me. It is to measure the oil level. Please. Yes, okay. I'm going to repeat again. It is to measure. Measure itu artinya mengukur. Okay? It is to measure. Come on. The oil level. Dia untuk ngecek apa tadi banyaknya oli ya. Okay, thank you so much, give applause everyone. We know the main information. Tapi paling tidak tahu informasinya sebenarnya tentang apa. Okay, so you can open your worksheet. Silakan dibuka worksheetnya. You have a text, and that's the script of the video. Scan and then watch it easily. Akan melihat videonya dengan mudah. So please. Have you finished? Yes? Yes. Thank you so much for finishing the exercise. Let's move on to the next activity. We're going to discuss the vocabulary. Kita mau mendiskusikan kosakatanya. So you can see on the table, the slide. Guys, attention. Boys and girls, attention. You can see vocabulary on the slide. First, we have 5 vocabularies, and please all of you repeat after me. Semuanya ikuti setelah saya. Ready for that? Siap? Okay. Start. Wait. Clean. Pour. Repeat. Once again. You don't need to. Thank you, well done. You know that. Bukan bersih tapi membersihkan. Because it's verb karena ini kata sudah. Pour. Menuang. Okay, yes. Okay. Next, repeat. Uangnya sih dalam repeat after me. Don't tapi setelah saya. So how you can improve your vocabulary. Semoga kosakatanya nambah ya. Dan ini bisa practice on your daily activities. Bisa diaktifkan, bisa dipraktikkan di kehidupan sehari, especially on the workplace. Khususnya ketika lagi di bengkel, when you want to do something, ketika lagi mau melakukan sesuatu, you can say that in English. Bisa mampu dalam bahasa Inggris. Next activity, we're going to play simple game. It's about step jumbo. But for that, make sure that your handphone is ready. You have much internet connection. Pastikan dulu HP-nya udah siap. Internetnya udah siap. Udah. Okay, so you can go to your solution. We go to activity 2. Kita masuk ke aktivitas kedua. Bisa dibuka dulu boxnya. So I have prepared 6 QR codes. Saya sudah menyiapkan 6 QR code. You can scan that and then you can access Canva. Nanti ketika kamu scan QR code-nya based on your group of course, berdasarkan kelompokmu, for example, group 1 scan barcode group 1. Tuh, scan barcode-nya nggak boleh salah, harus sesuai dengan kelompok. Oke, scan the barcode please. Was I also have you access your Canva? Sudah akses Canva-nya semua? So, next activity, you're going to order the steps on prosedur text. Kamu harus menurutin langkah-langkah di prosedur text yang ada di Canva-nya masing-masing. Terus random banget, gak perlu sama sekali. You have to order it so you can create the good prosedur text. Jadi kamu bisa menghasilkan teks prosedur text yang untuk yang bagus. And after that, after ordering the samples, ordering the steps, kalau kamu rutin langkah-langkahnya, you can create your infographic. Kamu bisa membuat infographic dari teks prosedur yang ada. So you can modify your page, your Canva page, sesuai atau bermimpi boleh untuk menghasilkan ilustrasi dari setiap perangkat yang memang dibutuhkan untuk membuat infografik. So, any questions so far? Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Progresnya kalian, boys and girls, in group 2, and then we have. Boys and girls, have you done your infographic? Let's go. Give applause everyone. Because it's important to appreciate ourselves. Sangat penting untuk mengapresiasi diri sendiri. Kita say, I love myself. Saya mencintai diri sendiri. Okay, guys. Before we go to your presentation, sebelum kita masuk ke presentation, let's do ice breaking. Kita ice breaking dulu sedikit-sedikit ya. So please follow my instruction. Whatever the instruction. Apapun instruksinya, kalian ready? Ready? Stand up. Right. Now. Show. Okay. Jump. Sit down. Stand up. Jump. Sit down. Jump. Try. Sit down, everyone. Sometimes we cry, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we shout, but the show must go on. Tapi hidup tetap harus berjalan. Kalau menangis itu udah siklusnya Oke. So, are you ready for next? Sudah siap untuk selanjutnya? Say yes. Yes. Oke, so which one? Mau yang mana dulu yang mau maju? Any volunteer? Ada yang mau maju? Everyone? Boys and girls, have you done it? Yes? Still on fire? Masih semangat? So boys and girls, it's time for you to present the result of your infographic. So, any volunteer? Okay. Group 2 ya? Okay, move forward and present because you are ini yang paling kecepatan ini. Dong, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, friends. We are from Group 2. I am Fadil Satala and my friends.
My name is Arielita Pratama.
My name is Nidra Stuti. My name is Sarana Vidya.
My name is Abdul Madka. Today we are going to present and how to change part clothes.
First, materials. Materials or the tools are Sparkler Shop 16 mm, extension bar, top wrench, diameter rings, fuse bar ruler, platinum ring.
Any feedback, please? Any volunteer? Silakan untuk komentari presentasi temannya. Come on guys. Okay, boys and girls, let's appreciate the presentation. Please give feedback. Come on, any volunteer, raise your hand.
Good job.
Okay, you please stand up. Berdiri dulu, silakan. Berdiri. But I think you should improve your pronunciation. Harusnya lebih diingat, lebih konsentrasi. Tadi udah bagus, ada beberapa kata yang miss pronunciation tadi. For example, you have to say present. Okay, and then come, not go. Yeah, and please never ever block the audience. Jangan presentasi, jangan block audience. Okay, that's all possible. Thank you so much for your presentation. You must everyone. Let's move on to the next activity. I have a special test. Jadi ada tes spesial buat kalian di akhir pembelajaran ini. And we're going to use Wayground. Kita akan pakai Wayground. So please prepare your handphone. Let's check your handphone. Show me your handphone. Okay, your internet connection. Okay, so I'm going to prepare the Wayground, the test. So you are going to prepare your handphone. Okay, so please wait a minute. Yeah, so you can scan the QR code. Nanti bisa scan QR code-nya lagi. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, you wanna use QR code or the link? Mau pakai link apa mau QR code? The link. Okay. So, kita lihat hasilnya. Oh, oke. Give applause everyone. Congratulations, Zahra. Oh, what's that? Zahra Okta, the first winner. The second we have Raditya Adriarianto, and the third winner is Arif Agung. Arif, let's give your word. Okay. Guys, are you happy today? Apakah feeling excited? Insya Allah bombong ya. What is bombong? Bombong itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia apa? Bahagia, happy. Okay then. So guys, let's do self-reflection. Kita mau melakukan refleksi diri, or we call it self-reflection. And then we're going to use Mentimeter. I have shared the link on your WhatsApp group. Saya udah kirim linknya. Have you access it? Udah diakses belum? That's good. Okay, so we have 4 questions. Ada 4 pertanyaan. Saya pandu ya dari depan. Ready? Udah siap? Okay, first. Ya, siap boleh dalam bahasa Inggris. Syukur-syukur udah bahasa Inggris keseluruhan. Tapi kalau mau campuran juga masih diperbolehkan. First question, pertanyaan yang pertama. First reflection, refleksi yang pertama adalah what did you learn today? Apa sih yang sudah kalian pelajari? Nah, silakan cepet-cepet diketik. Apa yang sudah kalian pelajari? What did you learn today? Ingat-ingat tadi udah belajar apa aja ya? Apa saja? Yes, and yes. Sudah dipahami ya? Any question so far, ada yang mau ditanyakan? So far so good? Do you love assignment? Suka PR enggak? I love. Yeah. The assignment is very simple. Nah, sangat sederhana aja. Please find out the example of procedure text or manual on internet or on workplace, on your home. Boleh cari, silahkan contoh procedure text di mana aja. Internet boleh, rumah boleh, sekolah boleh. And then please print it out, di print. You can bring it
next meeting. Silakan dibawa di pertemuan yang akan datang. Because we're going to learn about this, and don't forget, it's related to the other lesson. Dan pembelajaran kita kali ini juga masih berkaitan dengan pembelajaran apa tadi? Social and Science class and also automotive class. Masih berhubungan dengan kelas IPAS dan kelas produktif. Oke. So boys and girls, I think it's enough for today. But before that, let's give applause to ourselves. Kita tepuk tangannya diri sendiri. Yeah. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for attention. Have a nice day. See you guys. See you. Saying thank you. Anytime. Oke. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.